In a city like Hyderabad, which is a IT hub, there are many professionals, educators, and even performers. Here, your voice is the most important tool. Like an athlete can sprain his muscle due to exertion, the same way a professional can have an effect on his voice because of excess overuse. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Aisha Tasneem, consultant ENT surgeon at Asian ENT Begumpet. If you find yourself constantly clearing your throat by the end of the day, you feel voice fatigue, then it might be a signal that your vocal cords have gone into something called as muscle tension dysphonia. This condition signifies that because of the overuse of vocal cords, the muscles which are supposed to act when we are speaking, instead of those muscles, accessory muscle come into action and they kind of contract. So that results in something called as muscle tension dysphonia. Muscle tension dysphonia has to be early identified and has to be treated properly so that the voice is regained as early as possible. The main symptoms of this condition can be a breathy voice or a hoarse voice or just a voice fatigue, which can occur all the individuals who tend to use their voice very excessively. So what do we do? First thing is you should visit the hospital where we at Asian ENT have advanced technology to note your vocal cord vibrations as such, to identify very minute changes in your mucosa which can signify that you might be having muscle tension dysphonia. Among the most advanced technology which is available, we have two things. One is video stroboscopy, which acts with the principle where a pulsating light is shown on your vocal cords so that we can actually see your vocal cord mucosa motion in slow motion. So vocal cord vibrations are assessed in slow motion. In that way, we are able to identify even minor changes in your voice. So another important thing is this narrowband imaging, which is a newer technology thing where even the minor changes of blood vessels and submucosa of the vocal cord is identified. So friends, if you're feeling tired when you're speaking for a longer time or you're facing voice fatigue, then it's better to show. Keep your voice healthy and keep speaking healthy. Thank you.